In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to your Google Doc. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google Docs at docs.google.com. Once there, select the document you want to work with. This is the document where we're going to add a border to enhance its presentation. Now, let's jump into creating the border. We'll start by inserting a drawing, which is where we'll actually craft the border. Look towards the top menu of your screen and find the Insert option. Hover over that, and you should see Drawing as one of the selections. Go ahead and click on Plus New. This will open a new drawing window where the real magic happens. With the drawing window open, we're now ready to draw the shape that will become our border. Locate the Shape icon, which looks like a circle overlapping a square. Hover over it to see more shape options. From there, select the Rectangle tool, which is typically the first square that appears in the list. Click and drag your mouse across the drawing canvas to create a rectangle. Don't worry about perfecting its size or position just yet, because we'll refine those details soon. Let's move on to formatting this rectangle so it acts as a proper border. We want the border to be hollow, so click on the Fill Color icon, which resembles a paint bucket. Select Transparent to make the inside of your rectangle clear. Then we'll give this border some color by clicking on the Border Color icon, which looks like a pencil. Choose a color that you feel suits the document. Whether it be black, blue, or something more vibrant, it's up to your preference. As for thickness, click the Border Weight icon, which looks like a line next to numbers. You can select from options like 4pt, 8pt, or if you want to make a bold statement, try a thicker line such as 16pt. Once your border looks the way you want it to, it's time to lock it in by clicking the blue Save and Close button. Back in your Google Doc, you'll see your newly created border appear. Click on it to select it. A few options should pop up right below the drawing. We want the border to always be visible, so click on In Front of Text. This ensures that it doesn't interfere with your content. To stabilize it on the page, look at the bottom of those options and find the drop-down menu that says Move with Text. Change this setting to Fix Position on Page, so your border stays in the same spot, no matter how much content you add or remove. It's time for some final adjustments. Click and drag your border to move it exactly where you want on the page. Use the small blue squares around the border to resize it. Stretch it to cover the entire page while leaving a nice margin around your text. If you're having trouble making it longer or wider, try using the middle blue squares on each side. And with that, your Google Doc should now be beautifully bordered and ready for presentation.